I lose my breath whenever I see you. You stole my heart, what is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon needs the sun, we don't care about the others. You set my world on fire. You're my heart's desire. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world on fire. I don't know.
Hi everyone, and welcome back to Chelle's Glam Home. Well, today I'm excited to share a cozy after dark clean and decorate with me. I hope you enjoy.
My life was great till you added colors.
So guys, you may have noticed I've made a few changes in this video. One of them being I took away a lot of the blue in my home. I wanted to start with a really neutral base. So first off, we're going to clean down my breakfast area. Now to my breakfast area, I wanted to add my neutral cushions. I started out with this one from Target, and then I bought in my chunky knit ones, which are from Pottery Barn.
Just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world on fire. I just want you, I just need you. I don't know what it is you do. I just want you, I just need you.
Now to the end of each of the benches, I bought in these beautiful cushion covers that I recently got from Temu, guys. I absolutely love these pumpkin cushion covers and I thoroughly recommend them.
We grow old, please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set
I recently picked up these beautiful pumpkins from TK Maxx this year. I love this boucle one as well as this knitted one, guys. They are so cozy. Now, I recently picked up this plaid throw blanket from Target. I absolutely love the colours in this, guys, and I'm going to add that to the right-hand side.
Back to my apartment. I'm not asking for your thoughts. I'm just thinking out loud in the darkness. There's no point 'cause we both know.
Now, I absolutely love that teddy bear boucle fabric, guys, and I really loved this chocolate brown one.
From here there's nowhere to go. Someone said your heart is.
Now I'm going to create a cozy centerpiece in the middle of my table. I recently picked up this beautiful chopping board from Early Settler Furniture. I really love the gorgeous detail in this piece, guys. I'm then going to add this rustic vase, which is from Pillow Talk, and I've added some hydrangeas to the top. I love the creamy textures of these hydrangeas, and I think they go so perfectly with the rustic feel. I also teamed it up with this delicious rustic candle that I recently picked up from TK Maxx. Guys, this smells like a home-baked cookie. It is so gorgeous. And then I added these linked chains.
When the wind is blowing in my direction, still I can't ignore the pain. It's the only thing that tells me I'm breathing. I lost you from the start. Someone said you're
Now on my shelf, I chose this Temu garland that I'm going to place in the centre.
broken. I can see the dawn.
Now to either end of the garland, I'm going to add two beautiful pumpkins.
For you, someone said your heart is golden. All I got was my heart broken. And I can see the dawn is coming just for you. It's just for you. Oh, it's just for you. For you.
I know I have to lay in the bed I made. I know I let you down, and that was a big mistake. Just tell me your life, you have to. I just wanna pretend that you're mine for the last time. Is that alright?
Guys, I absolutely love how this area came, but I felt like there really was something missing, and I'll show you what I changed at the end. So I'm now going to start in my kitchen area. You'll also notice here that I painted the pantry door the same colour as my walls, and I also gave a fresh coat of white paint to my range hood. Now I started cleaning by emptying out of my dishwasher and adding my cups away. I love my little Ray Dunn collection of cups here, guys. I cleaned down these beautiful hand and soap dispensers, guys, that I recently got from Kmart. I absolutely love the little matching tray, and I love that it is all neutral.
All I need is you.
without water along the sun-soaked road. We crossed over borders.
Once I cleaned the kitchen, I then added some beautiful decor. I absolutely love this marble cutting board in the pumpkin shape that I got from TK Maxx recently.
It's all for you. I did it all for you.
I'm then going to add my beautiful Mackenzie Charles teapot to the
It's all
middle.
for you. It's all for you. Nights without sleeping, 'cause you fear the night. And days without eating, 'cause it ain't enough for two. And it's all for you. It's all for you. It's all for you. It's all for you. I did it all for you.
After I cleaned my stove completely, I wanted to add a fresh set of tea towels to the front.
It's all for you.
I recently picked up this pumpkin set from TK Maxx and I really loved the black and white check to tie in with my Mackenzie Charles teapot.
When it is freezing, I will keep you warm. I will hold you closer so you don't feel the cold. And it's all for you. It's all for you.
Now I love this rustic come in and get cozy sign that I picked up from TK Maxx probably 2 years ago now. And I'm going to add that to the top of my range wood.
It's all for you. It's all for you.
Now guys, I wanted to add a new curtain valance to my kitchen window and I was recently shopping on Temu and came across the most adorable curtain valance for my kitchen. Now these were super inexpensive guys and I absolutely love the detail. I purchased 3 in total to give that nice fullness across my window.
We went head first into the fire. Watch the flames rise higher, love. We were burning so damn bright, just like a shooting star turns into dust. All the fighting, all the crying, reality caught up with us. We went head first into the fire until we crashed and burned. No, I wasn't the one, but I gave it all I've got. When all is said and done,
Once the curtain was hung, I then added this beautiful pumpkin candle that I recently got from TK Maxx. Guys, this smells like an absolutely beautiful baked cookie and I love this candle so much.
the waves, we were right there in the eye of the storm. When I look back, I see it clear. I tried but couldn't give you more. You were a great one at the wrong time. I could never give you what you need and deserve. We went head first into the waves until we crashed and burned.
Guys, I absolutely love it when I have my house to myself and I can decorate it on a cozy cold night. I really enjoy decorating these particular areas of my home, and I'll be sharing part 2 next week of decorating my home cozy. Now guys, remember I said I wanted to add something extra in this area of my home. I love this vase that I recently picked up from Adairs, and I thought it made the perfect glam touch to my shelf.
You know your smile is lighting up the room, up the room. Do you always look this beautiful? Can I kiss you when the night is through? Because right now it's all I wanna do. Your lipstick left a mark on my cheek, so I keep thinking of you. Whoa, you wanna do it again? You wanna do it again sometime? Whoa, can I see you again? Can I see you again sometime? If you'll be standing by your door, I'll pick you up at 8. I said, whoa, you wanna do it again? You wanna do it again sometime?
Guys, we are nearing the end of winter time here in Australia, but I live in an area of Australia that is cold 9 months of the year, so my home is always cozy. I absolutely love sharing cozy decorating ideas with you all, and I hope you get inspiration from this video.
As long as I can spend the day with you, day with you. Lipstick left a mark on my cheek, so I keep thinking of you. Whoa, you wanna do it again? You wanna do it again sometime? Whoa, can I see you again? Can I see you again sometime? If you'll be standing by your door, I'll pick you up at 8. I said, whoa, you wanna do it again? You wanna do it again sometime?
So thank you so much for watching, guys. I really hope you've enjoyed the video. I hope I've inspired you when it comes to decorating cozy. I'll be back next week, guys, for part 2 of my cozy series here at Chelle's Glam Home. So don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. It truly helps the channel. Share the video as many times as you can. And I'd love for you to hit that subscribe button so you can become a part of Chelle's Glam Home family. So until next time, my friends, I thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.